What's up, guys? You're watching Everything Weapons. We have breaking news here from the Warzone.com. So, U.S. Navy MH-60S Seahawk helicopter goes down in Arabian Sea. So, the search is on for a missing crew member, American, after the other three were safely recovered. So, a search is underway right now for a missing air crew member after a U.S. Navy MH-60S Seahawk chopper assigned to the aircraft carrier USS George H.W. Bush, and it's also called CVN-77, conducted an emergency water landing in the Arabian Sea. The U.S. Navy's Fifth Fleet stated in a post on X, quote, "There is no indication the emergency was caused by hostile action," unquote. 3 of the helicopter's 4 crew members have been recovered and are in stable condition aboard the George Bush. Fifth Fleet added U.S. Navy assets in the region are currently searching for other air crew member still missing. The cause of the incident is under investigation, and this situation happened and took place at 3:30 a.m. Just recently, and the mishap occurred amid tense ongoing negotiations between the U.S. and Iran to end the war. So this marks the second time in the past weeks that a U.S. military helicopter aircrew had to be rescued after a crash in the region. So not good. The second time we had an American chopper go down. The crew of a U.S. Army AH-64 Apache were rescued earlier from the Gulf of Oman overnight on June 9th this month by a Corsair drone boat, and President Donald Trump said Iranian forces downed the attack helicopter, but this situation is a developing story. Obviously, they're still investigating. We don't know if this MH-60S Seahawk helicopter had some kind of malfunction, but it's crazy that they had to crash land in the ocean, in the Arabian Sea, and 1 American is still missing. I really hope they find that crew member. It'll be very tragic and unfortunate if they can't, but I guess you could say luckily they were able to rescue and safely remove and recover at least 3 of the 4 on board this U.S. Navy heli. So just a little bit of breaking news, and it's been not good for the USA, man. We've had too many aircraft go down, so it's just a complete disaster. I don't know what's going on. We had the B-52 recently crash because of a malfunction, and then now we have an MH-60S Seahawk completely lost. So that's not good. That's a lot of our taxpayer dollars. Obviously, there's nothing you can do if it's a malfunction, but let's just hope it wasn't like the pilot performing bad, right? And that's what caused it. Most likely not, of course, but it could just be a malfunction of some kind, or some kind of maintenance issue or neglect, but I guess we will find out very soon as the investigation is underway right now. So thank you guys for watching. Drop a like, subscribe if you want to stay up to date with everything war, military, and weapon related, and make sure you ring the bell, that way you don't miss any videos I post in the future, and check out the older stuff on the channel. As always, see you guys in the next video. You've been watching Everything Weapons. Hope you have a good day. Take care.